To me, creative problem solving means teaching your students how to work together, collaborate, use those 4 C's of critical thinking, communicating. And I think it's important because we're not pushing just normal jobs anymore. We have these upcoming jobs we don't even know what they're ready for. And creatively problem solving is going to help them land these awesome jobs and just do amazing things. Just a little bit at a time. Implement what you can, start the process really slow, and teach the children too. Why are you teaching them this creative problem solving? And, make it valuable to them, even in their core subjects like math and science and reading and writing, having them go in and say, here's why I want to do it. It's good for our kids, and really showcasing why and how it's going to affect our kids. I don't really grade my students based on, they were able to make this LED light up or they were able to make their website work. I look at more of the process. Do they understand what we were going through? Do they understand the core basics of what I was trying to teach them? Were you working on those different soft skills, and were you being creative and collaborating and working together? And that's how I assess my students. One day I just kind of let my kids go at it, and I said, I want you to try something. You have these essential skills now go try it. See what happens. The worst thing is it's not going to work. And they were just excited to learn. And really, as a teacher, that's my goal, is I want my kids to be excited to come to school and excited to learn.